Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add send gift button on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Instagram has recently released the Instagram Gifts feature for content creators, so make sure your Instagram is up to date. Now go to your Instagram app, then go to your profile page. Tap on the three lines icon, and then go to the option called Settings and Privacy. Over here, you have to go to the option called Orders and Payments. So when you go to the option called Orders and Payments, you can find the option called Payment Method. You have to just make sure to add the payment method, because if you have not added a payment method, you will not be able to see the gift option. Once you've added the payment method, you can simply come back and then try to post a reel. Once you try to post, when you are posting a reels, you will see a Add Gift button in your reel settings. Enable it. It will look like this on your reels, and others can send you gifts by tapping on it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.